So for the task 2, if you're getting this error when you try to test your console.py, that is, let me open this. You want to use this to test your console.py. If you're getting this error, it's coming from should be base model. If we go to base model, it's coming from the constructor. Here, the young man said this, that in a way that the ID and updated data are created if keywords arguments are not provided. But here we are saying that if we go to console.py in our do create, so it's coming from here when we are creating an instance here. So we see that the only thing that we are passing is the only thing we are passing to it is all these values on attributes. We are not passing the updated and at and the created at. So, and then in our base model here, we are seeing that since the keyword argument is given, this conditional statement is skipped, and we are in this part of the conditional statement where the updated data and created data are trying to be accessed, but it's not even existing. So for us to correct this, what we can do is to remove this statement and also make sure that the created that ID, all these keys are existing, and then we can just say if keyword argument. So in that way, if when an instance is created, there will always be created out and updated out. And if an instance is being created and the updated out and created out maybe the keys are passed and they want to be modified, that way it can be able to happen here. So if we run this, so we are still getting this issue. So I guess what we can do is to say if keyword argument is provided, we are going to iterate through the items, and then we are going to say if key is created at or if key is updated at, we will remove this line and we are going to say that we are going to set the value as reset the value to a datetime object by passing the value here. I guess I can bring this one back and I'll remove this too. And then after resetting the value as this datetime object, then I'm going to say if key is not equal to, because we don't need this, if it's not equal to class and we use as attribute, check that solve dot we use has attribute to ensure that whatever attribute we are trying to set here is is a class attribute of the given class, and then we use set attributes, and then we pass in self, the key, and the value. So that way we are only trying to update created at and updated at if they are given when an instance is being created. If it's not given, the created at and updated at, we use the one given at the initial instance creation, which is these two lines. So with this, I believe we shouldn't be getting this error anymore. Okay, so we see that the instance is being created. And this conditional statement should be outside of this other, the first conditional statement.